Pause the sentence. Let us understand our topic. What is a phrasal verb? Now, this word phrasal has derived from the noun phrase. Phrase is a noun. Phrase is a noun, and phrasal is an adjective. It is an adjective. So when I say phrasal, it means of phrase. When I say phrasal, what does it mean? It means of phrase. And what is a phrasal verb then? Okay. What is a phrasal verb? Okay, what is a phrasal verb then? Of course, the definition is it is a group of words. A group of words which acts as a verb. Now, what does this mean? A group of words which acts as a verb. Let us take one example. Here, if I say look after. Now, look after. Okay. If you see here, it is a group of words. When this group of words functions as a verb in the sentence, it becomes a phrasal verb. For example, the meaning of look after is to take care of someone. For example, the doctors always look after their patients. The doctors always look after their patients. What is the idea? Or you can say we have to look after our parents. So we have to look after our parents. Here, if you could see, this look after is functioning as a verb, phrasal verb. Here also, the look after functions as a phrasal verb. Now, based on this, you can say a phrasal verb is nothing but a group of words which functions as a verb. Okay, a group of words functions as a verb. Now, this is one example. Now, let us take another example. You might have come across the sentence good at. Okay, good at. Now, good at. What is the meaning of good at? A person who is skilled in. A person who is skilled in something. For example, he is good at English. He is good at English. This is one sentence. And not only to this itself, you can also say my mom is good at singing. My mom is good at singing. You can say, or you can have any subject. She is good at mathematics or maths. She is good at maths. My mom is good at maths. Now this is how you can make. So somebody who is skilled in one particular subject, a person who is skilled in one particular subject, a person who does good in one subject, at one particular subject, that person is called as good at something. Okay. Now, however, we make some mistakes regarding this phrasal verb, good at. Sometimes you might have come across people saying good in. I am good in this. I am good in that. So actually, it is not good in. It is good at. Somebody can be good at one particular subject, one particular sports, one particular area. So good at is important. To say good at is very important. Okay. So good at is a phrasal verb. Now let us take the next one. So far we have already seen 1 and 2 examples. Let us take some other. Next one is ask for. Ask for is also a phrasal verb, and the meaning of ask for is to request someone. What is the meaning of ask for? Is to request someone. Now, for example, he asked me for a ride. He asked me for a ride. Or you can simply say Neha asked for a glass of water. A glass of water. Neha asked for a glass of water. Now our phrasal verb asked for plays here important role. And here also asked for we have used in the past tense. Neha asked for a glass of water because she was thirsty. So what is the meaning of ask for here? Ask for has the meaning of to request someone. To request someone. What is the meaning of ask for? Ask for has the meaning of requesting. Okay. Now next one, the next phrasal verb we will study is answer back. Okay, the next phrasal verb is answer back. Now what is the meaning of answer back? Answer back has the meaning of replying someone in a rude manner. Replying someone in a rude manner is called as answering back. Okay, replying someone in a rude manner is called as answering back. Now you might have come across some students sometimes when they are unhappy. What do? They reply back to their teachers. So their reply sometimes can be rude reply. For example, my friend answered back to our principal. My friend answered back to our principal. He answered back to our teacher. Now here, when I say my friend answered back to our teacher or our principal, what does it mean? His reply was not polite. He was rude. So here, what is the meaning of to reply? To reply in a rude manner. To reply in a rude manner is the meaning. To reply in a rude manner is the meaning. And the examples for these are, yes, my friend, and let's say to you, my friend answered back in a rude. My friend answered back to our principal. Okay, what did he do? He answered back to our principal. Or she always answers back to her parents. She always answers back to her parents. So answered back and answers back. One is in the past tense, another one is in the present tense. Okay. So my friend answered back to our principal. She always answers back to her parents. And when I say she always answers back to her parents, what does it mean? It means her behavior is not good, or her way of speaking with the parents is not good. That is, she speaks in a rude manner. So, what is this? We have seen 3 examples. The first one is look after, second one is good at, third one is answer back, and then we have also seen ask for. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4th one. Okay, look after, good at,